and good morning. Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me slash chit chat slash everything. So I woke up this morning feeling really good and I feel like vlogging. I have a day off, so I'm gonna vlog this. I'm gonna do my skincare routine, my makeup, my shower routine, what else? My outfit of the day. I'm gonna do all of that for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this, keep on watching. So family, we just got here to our hotel. The fire department is going to do their job. So they ran the tests and they're gonna, I guess, determine when it's safe to go back to the home. So anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the room. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, let's start all the way at the front door. All right, so I gotta turn that around. Let me show you guys this bathroom. This is one of my favorite part, and that's one of the reasons I chose this. So it has a standalone shower right there. Very nice. It has the toilet right there. It has a little TV in the toilet. And then it has this little table here with our towels and some drawers there to put some stuff in. It has this nice little mirror here for when you do your makeup, so I love that. And then it has this nice mirror. I love the lighting in here. And it just has the normal hotel stuff, you know, your towel, your hand towel, your soap, cups to brush your teeth, body wash, lotion, whatever. And then on this side, you have your tub. So the bathroom was definitely one of the main reasons I got this room. It's very nice. All right, so then let's head back out here. Okay, this is a better view of that entryway. The wall there, very pretty. All right, so we're gonna head back in this way. I already have some of my stuff there, so ignore that. So then over here we have our TV, a refrigerator. There's a refrigerator in there. There is some, let's come over here and see. There's some snacks here, coffee machine, some coffee. And then this is also one of my favorite area because I'm gonna be working a lot. So it has a little desk here, like a little workstation. And then this view is absolutely gorgeous. Again, the camera's not gonna do it justice, but it is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. It overlooks the city a little bit, and we are on the 19th floor. Yeah, we're on the 19th floor, and I have a little thing with height, y'all. I'm not completely comfortable with heights, but yes, at night, this is supposed to look very nice with all the lights from the buildings. And look at that. That looks like a beautiful portrait picture type thing, right? There's a nice little park here. There's a lot of stuff here that we can do while we're here. So I'm hoping we're not here for too long, but if I need to take the baby out to play, there's a lot we can do here. So yes, that is what that area looks like. Very nice. And then when you turn this way, there's a lounge chair there. This thing is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. It's like a purple silver-ish type thing. Look at that. So pretty. And it's super comfortable, y'all. Look at that. Very nice. You guys are gonna see me film some videos here, and if you don't watch this video, you're gonna be very confused. And I know a lot of you are gonna think I already decorated the house, but no, I have not. This is a hotel room because we have been displaced. Yes, that's the kind of life we're living right now. Anyway, so this is the side table and this is the bed. It's a nice sized bed. And then the rug, I don't know if the camera is doing it justice as well. It's very pretty. It has like a silver type, purple type thing going on. It matches everything else because the headboard has some purple in there. They have these watercolor frames with some purple, and purple is my second favorite color, so I fit right in. And then it has some details on this wall. Very nice. And then yeah, And let me show you guys the bed up close. Yeah, it has this nice headboard, very, very nice. And yeah. So this is just an overview of what the entire room looks like. This is where we're gonna be for a few days, and we're just gonna try to make the best out of it. There's a lot of nice restaurants downstairs. There's a park close by that we can actually walk to. There are a lot of stuff out here that we can do. So I'm gonna go jump in the shower, do my makeup, my skincare, do all of that, and I'll show you guys my outfit of the day. Family, so I'm about to do a little skincare with my steamer. This is it right here. I haven't used this thing in a long time, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. So this thing, it has a little chamber back here. So all you have to do is fill it up with water, as you can see there. Put it here and then plug it in. So let's find a place to plug this in. All right, I'm gonna set it here and I'm gonna plug it in over here. So then I'm gonna set you guys here. All right, so I have my steamer here. It's plugged in. I'm gonna use that button to turn it on, and you're gonna hear and see the steam come out, and that's when you know it's ready. You don't have to hold this in your hands. You can set it on a table that's higher than your face, but this is really, really good for your skin. It's good for your face, and it's even good for your hair. And I'm gonna do a separate video to show you guys how you can use this for your hair. But it just wakes the skin up, it moisturizes the skin, it gives it some warm heat that is well deserved, it gets the blood going, it brings the blood to the surface of your face, and it's just good for a lot of reasons. Now, I don't do this every day, I do this once in a while, so maybe 3-4 times a week, because heat can also be drying to the skin. So when you do this, you have to follow it up with a moisturizing skincare routine or a really, really good moisturizer. Otherwise, it's gonna leave your skin dry. All right, I think that's good. Now it's time to move on. That's my little makeup bag. I have everything I need in there. All right, family, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my makeup here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I'll be back. Thank you all again for watching. Stick with us. We're gonna keep you guys posted. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one.